3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Heygo.
From Japan, wherever you are in the world.
Your man in Iceland.
Qué bueno.
Today we are going with skateboarding.
From Kerala. I hope you already know me.
We are from Saigon, from the south.
We are live from Paris.
50% London tour guide, 50% beard.
Welcome to one of the 7 wonders of the world.
You will see the store is interactive. You can ask me any question you have.
On to more interesting topics than my face. We are here on top of the volcano.
Super.
So there are some unexplored adventures here for the brave.
This is Celine from Jenny's China tour.
Buenos días, ¿cómo están?
This is the Temple for Hathor in Denver. Absolutely stunning.
It's just beautiful.
Okay, we've got a really steep section coming up, so beware.
Once again, we wish you luck and all the prosperity in your life. And until next time, bye-bye.